Oh, you're supposed to take a break. Give me a break. Give me a break. Give me a piece of that Kit Kat. I have been playing this game for like over a week. Neek. What was that? I'm only gonna... Fine, I'm gonna play, okay? I'm back to the game, okay? Okay? What was that? God damn. Don't just diarrhea or something? I'm back to the game. I know that I will never come back. No, not until I Ethan. Thanks, I guess. Dude, I literally just joined. Thanks, I guess. Weak. God damn it, I should have joined as my game killer. Oops, on a 20. Oh, yo. Well, here we go again. Oh, I didn't mean to get the phone on the 20. Okay. Why? Viaki, I don't know how to say it. Viaki. What? I don't know how to say the name. Viaki the orange cat. Was it being a bitch to my friend Luna? I don't think Luna. No, not Emma Fire. Luna. That's one of my friends, Luna. Yeah. Honestly, I don't care if anybody catches me. I just want to play the game and see my friends again. Even though this game's a piece of shit. But yeah, I just want to play the game. Be peaceful. Don't worry, Koana's not. I don't know how to say that. Let me be my speed hack. What was that? Yes, I know I'm supposed to take a break, but I decided to come back to the community for a little bit. Stop. It's annoying. So it doesn't take forever. Can you tell me who's falling? I'd like to know. I need to stop recording very soon because I'm gonna get my ass whooped. Really. Is that the magical? Okay, I thought someone was saying, can he kill someone? Like, dude, kill on your fucking own, man. Isn't that the magical who was a pit bull and attacked me? Whatever, man. Hey. Where's everybody? The hell? Ew. That's disgusting. Yeah, that's Luna. No, that's not the pit bull. That's a fake. 1 point fish. What? Hi, kiss. God damn it. Hi, oh, okay. Hi, Cowholt. Cowholt. How? Luna, god damn. Hey. I do eat all my bananas. I don't know. I just literally just dropped my phone. Wait. I don't care. It's gonna go away. Hold up. Nice and clean. Yes. There's no way it's gonna survive until 10:15. Oh. Don't you mean Oreo? Don't leak my name, goddammit. Okay. Why kill me? Yeah. I don't like that dude now. He's just being a piece of shit and using me. Don't use me, guys. Just because I'm a speed hacker. I leaked my stats. I don't care. Okay. I don't care if I get caught. I was gonna say that I was gonna say in this community probably until March. No, I want to stay here until April, maybe May. Maybe May. Stop, please. I don't know what to do. Would you like some gameplay, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I guess it's just I have been here for quite a while. God damn it. I hate when my phone gets super low. Get off that goddamn phone. Why is it on the 20? Oh my god, one more word. I'm gonna whoop your ass. Okay. I don't think under 20 kills it. I'm pretty sure she just said that so it doesn't take forever. Two apps are effect. So? What does it do anyway? Delete that. Caviar. Ballet, seafood, Galileo. What the hell, man? Shut up, rabbits. De Vivo. The hell? Oh yeah, I'm normal now. God damn it, I lost my fast attack. Oh well. I'm gonna get it back. Big back, big back. No. Don't give me that song now. Big back, big back. God. One more word and I'm gonna win. Big back, big back. God damn it. Ew, the deal's for it. I don't say dog online content will give me lots of views. Usually dinos online content does, but whatever. Oh my god, who keeps farting? This is one of the reasons why I quit the game. Everybody keeps farting. What did they eat, bro? Beans. Me. Ale. This is a freaking Spanish server. So anybody on Aslan? How about Aslan? No. But there's barely anybody here. Gonna spell even here too. Top? No? Mr. Grabs! No, please. Okay. What about this map? Whoa. God damn. BDC. Only random people usually join this map. BB, I just forwarded. How do I swim? I forgot. I think you gotta go over here. Yep, I'm swimming. Why are you eating in the water? It'll make your food soaking wet. No, I'm just gonna leave.